Hi guys, it's your girl Janet. Please welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing now, subscribe. Coming from my girl Susie, she did my nails. They're looking fine. They're shorter than usual, but feel weird. But I like you. What's poppin'? And that was my experience. Never been in one before. It's a bit scary, but thank God. Since now. Hi, I'm going to do a bit of facial. I'm using the tea tree sheet mask. And got a bit of story time. Story time! The other day, I was taking my son to the barber's. It's back to school. And I was driving. And I nearly killed a bicycle man. Oh Lord. But it wasn't my fault. Not because it's a bicycle. I was turning to go on a side street. And the taxi has its own lane. So the taxi man stopped to give me way to go on my street. The bike man didn't see what was going on. So he decided to overtake the taxi man and ran right into my car. My son was so frightened, but I was too, but I was so calm. The bike man was right under my tire. Luckily, I'm a good driver, so I stopped right in time. Hit the brake, and he fell naturally. I just heard a big bang. The ambulance was behind, so all I hear is wah, 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 wah. Everyone stopped. He got up. He checked his bike. It was fine. He came over and apologized. The ambulance said, "Are you okay?" He said he's fine. He ride on. He didn't even check my car to see what happened. Because naturally he hit me. But they're not insured, are they? So he went about his merry way. I checked my car. Everything was fine. And thank God no one's in trouble. Thank the Lord. I didn't hit him or run over him. And you know what? I just have to thank the Lord. Because when you go out and don't get back in your house, it's traumatic for everyone. But you know what? You just have to give thanks. So everything was fine. He was fine. The car was fine. The bike was fine. And everyone went on their merry way. Yeah, so this is...
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart to slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all trust me. Whoa, I can't say if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going
September
on.
in England. Just imagine.
Even when they're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
The outfit I
But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
with my bag. And enough pig packs to go with it. And off you go. Alright, you can look under.
Now, my
Look at that.
Here we go.
Oh, thank you.
And some sausage, chili and garlic.
Yes, please. I know. Oh, isn't it?
This one that looks like it's mixed with all these things. I haven't tasted this one.
What's that?
This one, yeah.
You tried it? Ooh.
You get salad in yours.
Yeah. Might as well use the knife, right? The chicken is nice.
I didn't get no salad in mine. Sorry, let me see. What happened to my salad?
It's so good. So we are now
YouTube.
we get notifications on YouTube?
Subscribe to a lot of people.
Do you? So when I send you a video, oh, someone has to send you the link.
It's okay, send. They come up anyway.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, if I subscribe, it's gonna come up.
But my sister, they never used to get it, that's why I'm saying.
Because they didn't put on the bell.
I thought they did.
When they put on the bell now, it will do.
Got my plate with the internet.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.